Hi guys. So I think until here we have the MQY formulas already, and then this one is the most challenging part in the whole establishing phase of the deck. So uh, if you go over this, then I think you're almost done. So the two things I need to add for this phase, which is the PVM. So for PVM, you just need to insert the scale. So go into the model and then new here and then scale, and then if you copy here, you will have the PVM scale over here. So if you look into the table, and then you will see the scale in price volume with the long and the short like this. And if you I want to open the check here, PVM check, uh, PVM check, which is not supposed to display to clients. And then you can see the short here and then the long. So I think the short is enough already, but if you want to preserve the order, price and volume and the mix, so you can see here, uh, measure price, volume and the mix, then you need to sort this by the long, the by long, and then it will preserve the price, volume, mix order. So you can define any order you want by fixing the values in here. So you can see here, I have the values for you. Okay, so the next step will be copy the waterfall formula. So this one is the similar case to the so in this one you have to mm, refer to this one monthly, but then we have to use this one instead. So you just change the uh, axis and then we done. Okay, so after this, then you can have the waterfall in here, and then you can break the waterfall by different regions. So you can, for example, if you want to change this one to uh, price volume, and then you can break it into region also. So for example, if you want to insert the region in here, then it will give you the region, the waterfall for each region. Okay, so that's how it works in this case. And then you can emphasize the local chain as well as this, and then you can sort. I think this one is sorted already, but let me sort this one by sort, and then ascending, so that we have the okay. So now you can see the main driver is just uh, by volume most of the time. So price a little bit, but then it's not so much in after the analysis. Okay, so after this one, and then the last one would be the chart, like drawing chart one by one. I need a chart holder. So the same concept. I go to the modeling and then new um, table as well. So new table, sorry, modeling a new table as well. And then I copy over the lorem ipsum table. So this lorem ipsum table is just one column called lorem and then one value called ipsum. This one is just for holding only. So this is how the table is written. Okay, so you can add the new measure for this table. So this one is for sale, this one is for period to period goal rate, and then this one is for GPM. Okay, so this is for chart number one. So after this, you can add chart number two as well. So chart number two. Okay, so this one is just a formula in here, but it will be easier for you to maintain later. So whenever you have the uh, you want to change the value, you just go to the chart and you maintain it here. Okay, so for example, if you want to draw the chart, the bar chart in here for GPM, and then for sales, I think you have to change to the compo chart here in order to make the GPM on top of the sale. And then this one, because this one is the binding to the mask, the M2, so it has to use the TRDIC or the MQ uh, here. So I put the X in this one. Okay, so you can see that this one is a combination of the three scale, but I only want mm, the the monthly scale or the quarter scale, for example, in this case. So this is how you draw it. Okay, so I sort this one by um, the time and then ascending, and then it will work with the other scale as well. So this one is for the monthly scale, and this one is for fiscal scale. Okay, so we can draw one by one, or actually you only need to draw one chart only, but then you can copy the chart in to uh, to different scales. So for example, let me copy this one to Y, and then you have the two scale at the same time. So they are the same chart, but then it just the parameter, the filter is different. Okay, so if you format this one is with the for example, if you want to the chart one GPM here, you can just format this one with the uh, percentage in here, and then you can have the percentage in both, and then if you decrease this one to one decimal place, and then this one you can see also. Okay, so this one I need to so the next one is oh, if you want to color the bars, you can also insert, for example, if you want to color by region, then just insert the color in here, and then you can color the bars. So the chart will be the same, but then the line will be the same, but then the bar will be color. Oh, for this particular case, you can actually use rename this chart here. So let me show you how to do it in here. For example, if you want to rename this one into GP margin, then you can see the title in here also change, and then the title in here also change. But this one, to be honest with you, I won't do this because later if you want to manage uh, the chart, it will be very difficult. So normally what I do, I for the chart number one and then GPM, I will keep it like this, and then I change the label here manually. So this one will be GP margin, and then the same thing happen in here, GP. margin. Okay, so that's how you draw the chart in this case. So you have to, the first thing you have to do is just to uh, make the holding table so you can hold more measures, and then you derive the measure from the master. Okay, so this one, if you look at the sale formula, actually they are the same as this one, the same as the sale current year here. So they are the same thing. If you want to, you can actually put the sale here inside this table. Now, but sometimes they are not the same because, for example, let me show you the master, and then you see they are not the same. So I will show you the master in here. And then you can see if the sale, if the COA is sale, and then it bind to the sale CY here. Okay, let me make it bigger. And then it bind to this one. But then if it's bind to the sale last year, then there's no such thing as sale last year in the measuring system in here. So because we actually divide the current year to the last year, and then we produce uh, the growth rate from year to year. So similarly, you can see same period last year is not the same, and then COGS contribution rate of the COGS also not, we don't actually have the explicit formula for that. So in order to like unify everybody in the same page, the best way to do it is just to derive everybody from the chart of account here. So you can see LTM GPM will be this guy, mm, and then sale will be this guy, sale LTM will be this guy. So I can show you the alternative solution for this. I can show you here, which is the A1 sale. So they are the same thing. If you write something like this, they are the same. But then, if you for the other case like GPM here, LTM here, and then they are not the same. Actually, the LTM I still have, but then the GPM I don't have the same thing. Okay. So hopefully after this stage, then after this video, then you know how to derive all the scales and all the measures in order to address FDD questions or FDD request